Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, it's time for me to harvest some lettuce from my indoor garden, and so I'm going to change this all up, get you down so you can see how I'm doing this. All right, so let's get at it. All right, so let's open this up here. Oh, they even grew more since last night. You could see if I can bring this in a little closer here so you guys can see it. So I got a bit of lettuce here to harvest already. There. Actually, let me move it over here a little bit at an angle so I get a little bit closer here. All right. All right, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to take some of the bigger pieces off here with my Fisker's scissors. Probably take a couple off of each one here. And I'll be doing this again tomorrow and the next day. Pull that out a little bit here. Take some off the back one. This one out. This is going to give me a couple of, I'm going to have to harvest every day now, it looks like. This thing here is just growing hog wild here. Maybe one more here. There we go. And while I've got it here, check it out. I probably need to add a little, give it a little more water than I've been giving it here. Yeah, needs a little bit more water. So hang on a second. I keep a couple of jugs here of water at room temperature so I can fill this up so it doesn't shock the system by putting the cold well water in it. I'll put a little more on this one. And a little bit more on the first one here too. Got a undesirable sprouting here. And even though this is mainly potty mix and stuff I had from indoors, every now and then I get a seed from the compost pile, from the compost, props up, so I have to get rid of that too. All right, so there it is. Let's go make a salad. All right, so I'm in the kitchen now, and I'm gonna put some cold water in here. Rinse these out here. I know there shouldn't be any bugs on it, but still, let's give it a quick rinse. occasionally we get a spider sneaks in. I don't know where it comes from, but I had a moth here the other day. Alright, so I got a probably make 2 salads out of this, lunch and dinner. So I'm just going to leave it in here to finish draining. Alrighty, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video right up here. I'm going to put a playlist down here for the indoor garden. I'm going to put another video you'll find interesting over here. I'll put the link to my other channel, Grayman Prepping, right up here.
This ain't Camp Crystal Lake. We have fun here.